Hello students, welcome back to our social science class as we discuss 9th class chapter first, the French Revolution. Today we will start 5th part of the French Revolution, the abolition of slavery. Let's revise 4th part of the French Revolution. What was the 4th part of the French Revolution? Did women participate in the French Revolution? Yes, they participate in the French Revolution. And which form they gain to participate in the French Revolution? They begin political club, they start political club and publish different newspaper. For the what purpose? What purpose was there to publish newspaper and begin political party? Because they want equality. They want equality with man. Because rights of man and citizen was given only to the man. We studied about that the rights of man and citizen. These rights were given only to the male community, and that's why they want equality in the French economy, in education, in political party, in all aspect, in offices. They want equality. Okay, and it was the result of their political club and newspaper that they start schooling, and they also have choices in marriages. Third was that now they can file divorce case against their husband. There is the choices of they can start small business and they can do different jobs. This was the important part they get from the French Revolution time. But the political equality they gain in 1946. Okay, they gain political equality in 1946. That was right to vote. And today we will start from the abolition of slavery. It is the important part of the French Revolution because we know that third states person was very inferior in terms of all, because they have to pay lots of taxes and their condition was not good. And first work to reform by the Jacobin was to abolish the slavery system, because he was the leader from the third states person, and the first and important work he did, that he reforms slavery system. Okay, he abolished slavery system. Next is Napoleon reintroduced slavery in 1804. Okay, here is the Jacobin reforms that slavery system, he abolished that, and Napoleon reintroduced slavery system in 1804. In previous part we studied that in 1791 election was held, and 1792 and 1793, it is a time period of Jacobin ruling time, and this time he abolished slavery system. Okay, then after the Jacobin, new constitution was framed. There was two legislature, first and second. Between the two legislature, the benefit gained by the Napoleon, he became the head of the French. And after the becoming the head of the French, he reintroduced slavery system. It is an important part for your MCQ, your very short question answer, for your filling the blanks, that who introduced slavery system in French. That is Napoleon. When he introduced in 1804. Third important point is Caribbean colonies. First of all, we have to know about that. Where is Caribbean colonies? Colonies we know that which was under the Britishers. And where is Caribbean? Caribbean is nearby the Mexico. Okay. As you know that world map, that in the western part here is a USA. Here is Mexico. And here is South America. Here is Europe, and here is Africa. These are the, you know about that, these are the continent, these are the country. North America, this is continent, this is continent, this is continent. Okay, and where is the Caribbean? Here is the Caribbean Sea, and here is these countries. That these are Montaigu and Guadeloupe and Saint Domingo. These countries famous for the supplies of tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffee. These countries was famous for the supply of colonies, tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffee. Where they supply? In the colonies of Britishers. They fulfill the demand of Europe. Okay, they fulfill the demand of Europe. Which country? Montaigu and Guadeloupe and Saint Domingo is the important. Where is the? These are the Caribbean Sea near Mexico, and here is these countries. Okay, these colonies. Next fourth part is triangular slave. What is the meaning of? As you know that this is the triangle shape. This is the triangle shape, and triangle shape is between the Europe, Africa and America. As we know that here is the Mexico and Caribbean colonies. European person did not want to go to the far away from their land because they know that what work they will get from this part. They have to do work as a slaves. They were not so much interested. They were not interested to go outside and do this slavery work. And what was done by the slaves? They go there forcefully and they have to do work what they want to take from them. Okay, here is the Caribbean, Europe and this is the Africa. Africa से भी slaves जाते थे और Europe से भी जाते थे, and this triangular shape is known as triangular slave between the Mexico, Europe and Africa. Okay, you can say that here is America, North America and here is South America between the Mexico. That's why calculative is America. This is the triangular shape of slaves. Next is in 1848, in 19th century, all the members of National Assembly that criticized the system of slavery system, because no one wants that slavery system, because they have to fight. They fight lots of time to abolish the slavery system. Because what was the motive of French Revolution? To gain equality, fraternity and the liberty. And that's why all the person of National Assembly criticized them. And in 1848, finally the slavery abolished in the French colonies. This is the important. Let's revise. First of all, first reforms done by the Jacobin was to abolish slavery system. Okay, and Napoleon reintroduced the slavery system in 1804. Third is Caribbean colonies nearby Mexico. Here is the Caribbean colony. What was their work? They were famous for the supplies of tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffee. And the triangular slave is this shape is known as triangular slave between the Europe, Africa and America. In 1848, finally the slavery abolished in French colonies. I hope you understood the fifth part of the French Revolution. That this is the abolition of slavery. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care. God bless you.